Hi, this is Rob Mayer on the MadisonAV stand, and I'm here to show you Humley's workplace solutions. As you'll see, their design philosophy is second to none. We're often commented about the quality of the design, how clean the information is, and how easy it is to gather content off the display. As we are all heading back to the office, it's really important for employers to give employees the tools to have a successful experience when they get to the office, and a lot of that is about finding the spaces in which to meet and to collaborate. So Humley have a range of room booking panels as well as desk booking devices that can be both mounted on top of the desk, underneath, and also vertically for smaller meeting spaces like huddle rooms and phone booths. On top of their hardware solutions, they also offer a range of software tools to make that experience much easier, including a floor plan display. So if you are wanting to identify a desk space or perhaps a charging bay for your car, in the morning you can log on to your Teams application, look at the floor plan for the office that you're going to attend, find that space that you would like to book, that desk that you know that you like. We'll choose that, make a booking on the floor plan, and that will now register for all employees that look at the plan that that desk is in use for a period of time. It will also update the booking device that is on the display. At the same time, we might book that parking space that we need to charge our car as well. So it's a very graphical, very easy way to interact with the spaces that you choose to book. And then if you're a larger office and you have lots of meeting rooms, you can take advantage of a wayfinding tool that will then display all of the meeting rooms that you have, the upcoming meetings, the location of those meetings, and any free spaces that you choose to book. That's Humley's workplace technology solutions, available from MadisonAV.